Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple project using two new scoring wheels from Cricut. I am making this video in conjunction with a sponsored blog post, but all the opinions in this video are 100% my own. Announced in June, the new Cricut scoring wheels use the Cricut Maker's adaptive tool system to create crisp creases in materials. You've probably already used the Cricut scoring stylus, but the wheels use up to 10 times the pressure of the scoring stylus, so you can make perfect folds. As you work through a project from Design Space, the program will tell you which wheel to use and when to insert it. Your maker will score your project first, and then the program will prompt you to swap out the scoring wheel and replace it with the blade. Cricut scoring wheels do not need to be calibrated, and you should use whatever cutting mat is appropriate for the material that you're scoring. I used the single wheel to score this foiled cardstock so that I would be able to easily fold the material in both directions. You can see how well the scoring wheel worked on this foiled cardstock without any skipping or wrinkling. I was able to easily create the accordion folds for my medallion project by folding along the scored lines. Then I attached all of the scored and folded pieces together with double-sided adhesive. Every fold is even and straight. The scoring wheel quick swap drive housing allows you to both use single and double wheel tips with just one housing. The single wheel is etched with a 01. To switch the tips, just press and hold the plunger on the top of the quick swap drive housing to release the scoring tip. Remove the scoring tip from the housing, slide the new double wheel tip on, which is marked with a 02, and then release the plunger on the top of the housing and the new tip is secure. I used the double wheel to create crisp score lines on the bottom ribbons of my project. To add a little bit more interest to the medallion ribbon, I cut a star out of foil iron-on and added it to the center of the medallion. All that was left for me to do was to assemble the whole project together. The scoring wheel made creating the folds of this project quick and easy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content, visit me on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!